All right, it's 5 o'clock in the morning, and that means it's time to head back to Bar Harbor for the last day of the Downeast Famous podcast. Let's get rolling. It's 6:30-ish. I'm at the theater again. I got all my stuff out of the car and onto the stage, but I think I made a mistake today. I'm wearing this heavy cotton shirt, and it is a lot hotter this week than it was last week. It says it's 65 degrees at 6 o'clock in the morning, and it is beyond humid. You couldn't tell from all the fog. So yeah, I'm a little sweaty, but whatever, it's gonna be a great day. But also, I'm a little bit emotional today because it's the last shoot of the season. We got 3 episodes we're doing today, and then we're done until next season, which should be in like 2 or 3 months. Anyway, I need to actually set up the stage. Should probably take me about 45 minutes. And then we're gonna be golden. A camera, B camera, and C camera right here. I haven't dialed everything in yet, but I think this is gonna look really great. Also, I have my studio GoPro. It's gonna be mounted up here behind us. It'll make for some good shots, I think.
This is the first one of the day, so I might mess up the intro a couple times before we go into it, or I'll redo it at the end, so we'll see just how it goes. Thank God for editing. Thank God this isn't live.
This is a conversation between the 3 of you. You can forget that the cameras are here, but if you do want to address like the audience and like say, oh, hey, you can follow me on Instagram, you can either look at the camera up here on the right or the camera over there on the left.
Nope.
Hey, April.
Hey, Gardner.
We just finished the episode with Michael Boland. How do you feel that went?
I am on 3 hours of sleep right now, and ordinarily that would spell disaster. But because Jenna is such an incredible co-host, and Michael Boland, I had just been hearing so much about him for so long, that he's such a big deal here, and he's so community oriented, and so I was really, really excited for this interview, and he did not disappoint.
Yeah, I think we recorded 45 minutes where we usually do about 35. So I was engaged in the conversation from behind the camera, and I could tell that you and Jenna both really
We could have interviewed him all day.
Yeah, and I would have appreciated that. I would have enjoyed it. More work for me to do on the back end, though. All right, I'm in the green room this morning. This is where the talent and the guests get ready. What's funny about that is it's actually a green room.
I'm gonna nail this first time. Last time I was like, I'm gonna mess up, and then I just kept messing up. So I'm gonna try this.
Affirm it.
I'm gonna affirm that this is gonna be the best intro ever.
Yeah.
You're gonna get it the first time, and I'll hold my applause.
Yeah. Plus, you have your supportive husband.
Yes, I do. Thank God.
I'm her support animal.
So April, we just interviewed Kelly Corson.
Yes, we did. She was awesome, and I'm really hungry for a lobster roll right now. Thanks to her interview.
It went super well. I really enjoyed that conversation with her.
Me too.
I just had lunch at Thrive here in downtown Bar Harbor, Maine, and it was delicious. I had a turkey, bacon, and cheddar sandwich. It was so good. How was your lunch?
Delicious.
Fabulous.
We love Thrive in Bar Harbor.
So good. Are you excited for this last interview?
I am. Bo is the manager at Side Street Cafe, which my co-host Jenna owns, and so we're going to get to learn all the behind-the-scenes stuff. So we're very much excited about it, and after that, we'll have wrapped the whole season, which is so cool.
It's crazy. We've done this for not quite 4 weeks in a row. We took a gap week or two, but it's hard to believe. Like, we've been planning this for months.
Yes. Yes.
So who else did you guys do with today?
Michael and Kelly Corson from Travelin Lobster, and
that's
you.
awesome.
Yeah.
Great.
You're the final one.
You're the final.
So,
Saving the best for last.
Grand finale.
Be careful what you ask for.
It's the one I'm definitely the most comfortable with.
Yeah.
Some of the other ones I was like,
Yeah, we may forget you're here at some point.
no, we won't. But
I'm just playing.
that's okay.
But every person who's come in, it's been like kind of weird at the beginning, and then at the end they're like, that was actually so great. That was so fun. Wow, I really enjoyed that.
So I think that's a wrap on season 3. What do you guys think?
we did it.
We did it.
It was really good.
It was so good. I had so much fun, and thank you so much for letting me be part of this again. I'm so grateful.
So are we.
Well, that went better than I could have even expected. I am a little bit sad that I'm not going to be seeing Buck and April in person. I'm not going to be working with them in person until the next season, which should be in a couple months. But we did some amazing work today. I want to thank everybody on the team. I'm so grateful for April and Buck, and for the amazing Jenna Young for the work that they've done. The interviews that they've put together are fantastic. They're engaging, and I am so stoked to be producing the podcast. I've got a 2-hour drive ahead of me. With MDI traffic, I probably won't get home until like 4:45 or something like that, but it'll be time to eat dinner with Emily. So, honey, I'm coming home. I'll be there soon. And thanks everybody for tuning in, watching these videos. I'm having a lot of fun doing vlogs, and I think I'm gonna do more. All right, with that, it's time to get driving. I'm tired. I'm out. Bye.